In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Shopify and create sophisticated menu structures, including mega menus, multi-level menus, drop-down menus, and header menus. Whether you're just starting out with Shopify or looking to refine your store's navigation, this guide will walk you through the process, ensuring your online store is organized, user-friendly, and aesthetically pleasing to your customers. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Shopify home screen. This is your starting point for managing everything about your store, from products and orders to themes and, of course, navigation. Next, navigate to the Files section. You can think of this as your storage space within Shopify, where you can upload and access different media files that might be useful for populating your menus with images, such as brand logos or promotional banners. While this step isn't directly necessary for menu creation, having relevant files ready to go will ensure your menus pack a visual punch. Now let's focus on where the magic happens, the Menus section. Once you click on Menus, you're entering the heart of your store's navigation. Here you can see all the menus currently available to you. To start building or modifying a main menu, click on Main Menu. This menu is crucial because it usually appears in the header of your website, serving as the main form of navigation for your visitors. Upon clicking into Main Menu, you'll see a list of current menu items. Now is a great opportunity to add new items or rearrange existing ones. Remember, you want to prioritize clarity and usability. So think about the pages or collections that matter most to your customer journey when deciding what to feature here. Moving on, explore the menu items. This step might include adding sub-menus or subcategories to create a more dynamic and layered navigation system, often achieved through drop-down menus. This is particularly handy for stores with vast catalogs, as it organizes products into manageable categories without overwhelming your visitors. Finally, don't overlook the footer menu. This menu is typically located at the bottom of your site and often includes smaller yet important links such as Contact Us, About Us, Terms of Service, and Privacy Policy. It's a great place to ensure your customers have easy access to essential information about your business. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a highly functional and visually appealing navigation system that enhances your Shopify store's user experience. Remember, the key to effective navigation is simplicity combined with richness, guiding users intuitively through your store while making the shopping experience smooth and enjoyable. Stick around for more tips on optimizing your Shopify store, and happy selling!